Hey y'all! Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna do a product review on 10-minute pickles. No big deal, not bragging, but I got them for 50 cents each at Walmart. I love the Walmart.
Walmart does have some good prices.
Let's show our jars.
So what are you making?
I'm making fire and voice, cause noise.
I'm making delicious. Delicious.
There it is. All right. So let's find out what we need to do here, bud. 50 whole cents. Like my cucumber costs more.
These jars alone
That's
cost
what I was
more.
saying. Yeah.
Uh-oh. The package was open in here. Okay.
I'm sure it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. I think I did that when I washed the jar.
Okay. Directions. See if they match. Fill and clean pint jar with veggies. Approximate 2 cups. I've gone British.
You have.
Combine pickle mix. Half cup vinegar. It doesn't specify. And a back. And 3 cups water.
3/4 cups.
What'd I say?
You said 3 cups.
Don't do that. 3/4 cups of water. And you bring it to a boil. I'm Cockney now. Using a funnel, pour mixture over veggies in jar. By veggies, I mean cucumbers. What else are you going to do?
I just realized it wasn't the seasoning in there. It's bits of the paper.
Oh, gross.
You didn't dry out your jar.
I did not. We need to wash that one
Okay.
again. We'll wash that one again in a second. Cap jar with lid and ring. Cool. Refrigerate. Store in fridge. It says fridge, not like refrigerator.
Store in
it's
fridge.
so cool. For up to 3 weeks.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. That's precious. They also include tips and ideas. They say to use firm, ripe veggies. So don't use some old soggy bottom boys.
Not soggy.
They could be fresher. They sat on my counter for a week. No, they didn't. They're fresh from the store today.
I'm going to turn off the boiling water.
Sheep Erlin. It's fine. Be sure to use all the yummy particulates in the brine. Make sure all those guys make it into your jar. And then it says pickles are even more flavorful after a few hours in the fridge. Shake up the flavor by combining different veggies. Try onions with your cucumbers even. You can do bell peppers, okra, or your favorite veggie combo. You may not need all the prepared brine. Simply discard any extra. I bet we won't. I feel like we're not going to need it all. Anyway, so here we go.
All right. Okay, I'm going to cut with this.
The crinkle cutter.
The crinkle cutter. And I did just a couple just to see how it'll do.
Yeah. I'm mandolinin. Nobody's lost an appendage yet. Come again.
These are going to be thick pickles.
Mine are thin. It'll even out. Oh,
We got a variety.
are mine too thin?
Yeah. Oh, no, they could be thin. That'd be nice.
We like thin. We hope to be there one day. Here's.
All right, let me get mine.
Mine are so weirdo. Look at that.
And look at mine.
You're so you put yours ahead of mine.
I'm sorry.
It's so
Together forever.
Together forever. Ursula.
All right.
Okay. So now we need to do our brine, which is for both of us. You said yours was the same, right?
Yeah,
Half
I think
cup
it is.
vinegar, 3/4 cup boiling water. Okay.
Let me make sure, because you never know. Half cup vinegar, 3/4 cup water.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, but we didn't add the vinegar to it. The vinegar.
vinegar.
Okay. The water's boiling, but now we're gonna add our vinegar to it. So we'll be right back.
All right, we're back, and we realized on our break that we didn't add the seasonings when we boiled the water and vinegar.
Oopsie poopsie.
So we separated all that stuff into 2 pans.
the water and the vinegar.
Vinegar,
Yep.
because we have 2 different seasonings. So we're gonna add our seasonings, boil it again just a little bit, and then put it in the jar.
We just want all that, flavor and particulates. to
Yeah, because when you
dissolve.
cook it, it all meshes together.
It does mash.
All right, so I'm putting mine in. So we're gonna put our pickles in here.
You sure are.
Who's the fastest?
Oh my god, everything's a competition with you.
Okay, I think mine's
I
full.
won. Nobody won. Nobody wins here.
There we go. Are we stuffing them all?
No, I put mine loosey-goosey. No.
Too much.
You need the headspace, remember, for candy?
Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna pull them in.
Wait. Safety first.
Oh yeah, the fun.
You don't have room for the big guy. You get the little guy. Stephanie, don't die. I feel like you're gonna.
Why am I
I feel like you're gonna maim yourself because you got a lot of pickles.
Okay, let's see this.
Oh golly.
Oh, golly gee
Wait,
willikers.
simultaneous pours.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We're gonna get burnt. We're gonna get burnt. Somebody's gonna die.
Uh-oh.
You're dead. I saw it. Somebody put.
I think it's all stuck.
Wait.
It's slowly
Oh,
coming
you
down.
got the small boy.
It's too small. It's full, so I can't put more in.
I have particulates in my pan, like they said not to do. Y'all remember that part where they said particulates don't do that? I did it.
What? I am lost.
You got dump it, I think.
I'm gonna dump it once it all.
And then we can add more pickles. I'm gonna put this big Bertha at the tip top.
Tippity tip top.
And we had lids. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we're not actually like officially canning these, like, you know, the safe way. But they say you can put them in the fridge for up to 30 minutes. So we're gonna, no, 3 weeks. Is it 3? Oh.
Is that what it said? 3 weeks?
It said 3 weeks. So we're not actually canning these. We're just gonna, but it is a shake.
Shake,
Sonora, shake the party, right, or something.
like the bartender.
That was like cocktail. My hands are twisted. I'm doing it wrong.
Oh.
We did it.
That's what they look like.
They're so pretty. We'll taste them later because right now they're not going to be pickled yet. They're just going to be kind of.
Yeah, I'm not a big pickle person, so you can try
I'm
it.
not a cheese person either, to be fair. You're
I do
kind
like
of a weirdo.
I like cheese on a certain level. I'm not obsessed with
You
it.
don't. It's okay though. All right, so we're going to refrigerate these for the recommended
3 weeks?
time. No,
You just said
no,
3
you
weeks.
can. No. You can keep them for up to 3 weeks in the fridge, but it says I think 30 minutes. We're gonna
Oh
refrigerate
yeah,
them
it
for.
did say 30 minutes. That's why my brain. All right,
We're gonna give it a little shake.
shake.
Shake it up. Okay, these have not been refrigerated, but we're just gonna try them just to see.
Yeah,
what
we just want to
happens.
know the flavor.
To reiterate, these
Okay.
have not been properly canned. They're refrigerator pickles. Do not make these and then put them in your pantry. You might get sick. Okay.
Alrighty.
Cheers.
Cheer.
I am pleasantly surprised.
That's pretty good.
Switch.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get one down and look. Wow.
I'm surprised. I don't really
Wow.
like really dilly things, but that's actually really good.
Those are daggone tasty. Oh my god. Mmm.
I like yours because they're spicy.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually really good.
Good.
That's better than the Walmart.
They are from Walmart.
The already made pickles.
Yes. So I'll describe mine. You describe yours.
Okay.
So mine are a little bit spicy, real salty. I really enjoy the thinness of them.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's like one bite and you're done. But like the spiciness is great. There's no sweetness at all. I'd say these are keto. Look at the ingredients. There's no sugar involved. I'm gonna go in for another.
Mine are just more like the dill flavor.
So like fresh dill.
But
though.
yeah, it tastes really fresh.
Artisan. Win. Winston's in every video.
And not too salty.
This is what I do. Mine's borderline too salty, but I don't totally hate it. It's fine.
I like yours more.
I think yours more.
Oh.
Fresh green. I'm gonna try one of yours.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Mine's a little bit too salty. Mine's like your mug cake.
Oh yeah, that was bad. If you didn't see that video, go ahead and watch it.
She wasn't good. It's so crunchy.
I like the crunch of that one, but I like the flavor of this one.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah, next time we switch, the thinness of the slice guy with the delicious.
Yeah.
And then the thinness of this guy. No.
Yeah, well, the thin ones go with the dill. The thick ones go with the spicy.
Yeah, because it has more salt, I feel. Sodium, if you will. Those are great.
I know. I'm glad you bought those.
So I'm just saying for 50 cents. Job well done, Walmart. And what's the brand?
Yeah.
The brand is called 10 Minute Pickle. Pearl and Johnny. Oh, that's cute. Pearl and Johnny. Yeah, and then we also got the 4-pack of refills for 50 cents. And when we're done with these, we get 4 more jars. What's 50 divided by 4? Like
I don't do math.
12 and a half cents. So 12 and a half cents. Once you buy your cucumber, you can get a whole jar after you buy those. But they're on
That's
clearance
actually
right
good
now.
just
Walmart.
on their own. Sorry, I
They're
talked over you.
no, I do it all the time too. It's not. It's tasty.
And I'm not a big pickle fan. I mean, I like pickles, but
It's not your favorite.
I can sit here and eat these.
Good job, Pearl and Johnny. 10-minute pickles.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't know
really
if we
good.
did it in 10 minutes, did we?
Well,
We thought we did our makeup in 5 when we did it. And
that's true. I feel like it would be 10 minutes if you follow the directions correctly.
we got there eventually.
Yeah, we did though.
We're the average American. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching these two idiots product review. Pearl and Johnny's 10-minute pickles. 50 cents clearance right now on Walmart. These are glass jars too. Y'all buy some balls and tell me. Ball mason jars. You know I'm not being natty.
Mm-hmm.
Buy my... Buy ball mason jars and tell me if you can get 50 cents with seasonings.
And that's a good snack. A healthy snack, so.
It's keto too.
Uh-huh.
We just DoorDash McDonald's. We're liars. But yeah, we're on keto.
I'm not. All right, y'all.
Okay.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know if you want to see anything. And share
There
the
it
video on all your platforms.
Yeah, let all your friends make fun of us. But don't you dare leave a mean comment because it makes me really sad.
She won't read them.
I won't.
I will, though.
And she'll be sad and mad. But
All
we
right,
love y'all. As long as you are nice, we love you so much. I promise.
All right. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
I'm doing it. Okay, 3.
Wait.
Bye.
Lost my shoe. Come on, unicorn. Okay.
I'm doing it.
We have to bring it back to your burrow.
That wasn't an answer.
Oh my god.
That's what they look like. That's.
We did it. We're gonna refrigerate them for an unspecified.
Can we pause?
You pop.
No. Can we pause? Pause.
It smells. I didn't even smell it.
Maybe some chopsticks.
I thought we were fishing for a minute. It sounded like bobbers.
Oh, God.
There you go.
I'm not a mouth eating person.